Hello, are you a local business owners? Your business is not getting rank. That's why you are not getting leads and calls. Without following a perfect strategy and marketing plan, probably you just waste your money and time. So the $1 billion question is, what should you do? No worry, I'm here to help you. My name is Saad. I'm a fully certified Google Ads expert and a Google Ads marketing consultant for local service businesses in the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and all over the world. Typically, I focus on AdWords optimization for better quality score to get top page rank with low CPC. Also, I focus on adding negative keywords from search term and perfectly add the locations and exclude the others locations. So reach out to me today for a free consultation or free discovery call. I can go over with you to help better result and improve your business rapidly.